Dell G5587-7866BLK-PUS G55587 Gaming Laptop. Review Deal Discount Unboxing Setup. I'm a software developer but generally avoid replacing hardware until necessary. My old desktop replacement laptop had finally reached its end of life, so it was time to find a replacement that would last me the next decade. This is that machine. Battery life is fantastic, computing performance is staggering, the physical case is sturdy enough to avoid the motherboard flex that would plague other brands and cause intermittent device failures, and all at an impossible price point. Physically, it's pretty big for a 15 inches laptop and has some weight to it. Those are pluses for me, but it might be too much machine if you're regularly traveling for business or tends to work on the train/bus/plane. As others have said, its appearance is pleasantly understated for a gaming laptop. This is a great price for a very solid machine from which even power users should expect many years of use. I was expecting great things from this laptop after all the reviews I had read. The laptop blew me away in terms and video editing with really fast render speeds. It played every PC game I threw at it in full HD. I opened more than 50 tabs in Google Chrome simultaneously and my G5 did not freeze even once. Overall, I would definitely recommend this laptop for videographers, casual gamers and creators as a whole. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.